Sagoo, and I'm a body shop manager for Fix Auto in Ottawa Central. I've worked for Fix a few times actually. The first time it was a body shop that got taken over by Fix, and I loved the way they came in and they just turned everything around, and for the better, because that can be kind of a scary thing as well when somebody comes in, takes over a business. It's like, are they going to do good things? Are they going to get rid of people? What kind of structures they're going to bring in? But they brought structure. That's the main thing. And unfortunately, I had to move on from that shop, and I didn't get to really enjoy working with Fix. It was a transition thing as well for them, and it was for me as well. So, been around a bit, and then I worked for Fix again 3 years ago, and came into a body shop where I had to be a production manager, and I just loved the support that Fix were giving the shop. Although, there were questions with them, like should we continue with Fix? I always felt yes. I always encouraged them. I said it's the right thing to do. During the pandemic, I ended up as the body shop manager there because the manager had quit. And one thing I can tell you is that nobody was ready for the pandemic. That was like a huge wave, like we weren't expecting. Who kept me focused and on my toes every day was Fix Auto. I got a phone call every single day that keeps me on my toes. Are you doing this? Are you doing that? Reminding me that these are certain things, procedures that have been put into place. Are you following them? Trina, she's fantastic. And so like without her, and the thing is that the shop was actually owned by a bigger company, and but Fix Auto is a franchise. But I probably got more support of Fix Auto than I did from them, and I love the way they stepped it up, shall I say? Yeah. Maybe 3 weeks ago, Fix Auto sent me to their main head office with a few of us, and we did the ADAS training. And what I also liked about the trainer there, he was very honest. He said, this is just an introduction. I don't have all the answers. We're all still learning. That felt good, because it was like, oh, are we behind? Do we not know what's going on? Like with all these cars, you have to keep calibrating them. You do a repair, you got to do a calibration, and then you're not sure if you're doing the right thing. So it's a learning curve right now. We're all in that same bubble, and I was glad to hear it, and I was really glad that the teacher, the Stuart, the trainer, was very honest about not knowing all the answers, and that's huge. And they're constantly working on that. I love the way Fix Auto would just turn up at the body shop, and Trina again will come and give me a slap on the wrist when I need it, and say, why is that like this, and why is that like that, and it keeps me on my toes. Because even when she's not there, I'm like, oh, close the windows on that car. They shouldn't be open. That shouldn't be there. And this, so it's constantly having that, like mentors, I think keeping us up to date with everything. Even I was sitting there while this conference is happening and the speakers are speaking, and I'm like, wow, how grateful I am to be here today. This felt great. I really needed this. Doing this has like pulled me out of the shop. Yeah, there's so much work to do. I've got so much work to do when I get back, but I'm going to go back a lot smarter. It's really like opened up my vision a little bit on certain things. I'm like, oh yeah, we should be doing that, and that's a great idea. Yeah, why aren't we doing it like this? And I'm just glad that the industry's growing. Yeah, because that was a bit of a worry, and this is fantastic. It really is, and kudos to them for organising this. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. But when I was driving here, I was like, oh, I just need to get this done and go back. I've got so many things to do. But now I'm like, I wanted to enjoy every moment and to take what I can as much as I can. Yeah, they've kept me in growth, and my attention span can be a little bit, but this has kept me. Yeah, they've kept me hooked. It's really good.